First, let's go ahead and open up the case here. So you get the hard shell plastic here. So first, let's put the Samsung tablet here into the hard shell case. Line up the camera with the cutout at the top left. And then the pad here is magnetic, so it will just hold the keyboard in place. Now let's go ahead and switch the keyboard on here and then connect it to the Samsung tablet. Go ahead on the Samsung tablet, click on Settings, then click on Connections. Now let's go ahead and make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Let's click on Bluetooth here. Now there is a connect button right here on the keyboard. Let's go ahead and press that. The blue light here is flashing. Lets me know the keyboard is now in pairing mode. And now I've found it underneath available devices right here. Click on the keyboard here. This is the Fintie EB030. Click on that. You get the pair request. Go ahead, click on pair. Give it a few more seconds. Now we have the keyboard here fully connected. So we should be able to now move around, and that is basically how you do it here. That's how you do the setup for this Fintie tablet with the case and the keyboard here.